Guys, as you can see, as the biggest aquarium I ever seen in my life in Dubai Mall. This is the first time I see big aquarium in Dubai Mall. See the fish, napakarami pong fish, napakarami. And there are so many people around there to see the fish. And so many people and so many children watching for how the fish will make a egg, how the fish giving birth for the egg. You can go inside and they will show you there's some people there to show you how the fish become egg, and how this fish become an small fish. They will show you, but mahal po yung entrance fee. I think around 100 dirham one person to go inside of that, to see how the fish give birth to the other fish, the aquarium. So we not deceive to go there inside to see how the fish, how they feed the fish, how they getting birth of the fish. That's why we not go inside. Around 100 dirham the entrance fee, to know, get the knowledge of the fish birthing fish. So we are here only outside in the aquarium. See how big the shark. So many shark inside. So many shark. So many dolphin. So many fish. Other fish is lapu-lapu, that they call here in Dubai in Arab. That I don't know. I forget. I forget the name of the lapu-lapu in Arab. I think, and some sapsap. No, no, not sapsap. I'm just joking. There is no sapsap. Even one sapsap I never see there. Yes, my son is want to make picture in the fish. That's why she is in the front. He is in the front. So nice. So very nice that place. Making me amazing. So many people and so many kids. Then there is some group from the tourists. There is some group for the school, I think school of college. And that big candies, big candies, they are there, the sweet candies. So many people are there watching for many fish. It's over around 1 o'clock when we reach Dubai Mall to watch the fish, and we are going to watch the fireworks and the light of Burj Khalifa. Hanggang dito na lang po, at kami po ay nagpapasalamat ng marami sa inyong panonood at sa patuloy na pagsubaybay sa aming mga video, at sa patuloy na panonood. And please follow for more, and God bless everyone, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. It's 2024 already, and palagay ko naman po ay tayo ay magkakaroon na ng napakaraming swerte, makaraming blessing by the name of God. God bless you.